Good morning, my dear children. I hope you all are great and enjoying your summer break. But side by side, you are doing your work as well. Is it so? You all are doing your work? That's very good. So, let us start today's class. So, I request all of you go and bring my fun work booklet. Okay, which booklet? My fun work, which you're doing during your summer break. Done? So let us start. Okay, first of all, let's come to the activity number 5. Earlier we are done with counting the things, counting beans and seeds. So let's see what we are going to do today. Sort and count activities. You have to sort. Okay, you have to put the things differentiately in different groups. So let us see what you have to do. Put 5 items of one kind and 6 items of another kind on the table. Mix them up. Parents, what you have to do first of all, you have to take 5 items of one kind. Like here I have taken 5 green crayons and 6 yellow crayons. Okay, what I have done now, I mixed both of them. I mixed both the crayons. Now the, green and yellow, both the colors are in a single bowl. Okay, now ask your child to sort it out. Okay, and make groups. Now you will ask your child to put green color on one side and yellow color on one side. Let me show you. So this way your child will segregate. The child will sort green color separately and yellow color separately. Now ask your child to count the both. Okay, so how many colors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many green colors are there? There are 5 green crayons. Now let's count yellow crayons. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many yellow crayons are there? There are 6 yellow crayons. Now ask your child which group has more colors. So which group has more colors? Yellow has more, because this is 5 and 6. This is 6. So you have to let your child know that 6 is a greater number than that of 5. You have to ask them कि किस ग्रुप में crayons ज़्यादा हैं. They will tell you, मम्मा green वाले 5 हैं and yellow वाले 6 हैं. So which one has more crayons? Yellow. So this is sorting activity, and they'll come to know less and more concept. They will learn what is less and what is more. So this way, please conduct this sort and count activity. Here also it is written, ask them which group has more or which group has less. I request parents that it is not compulsory that you have to use crayons only. I just used colors to give an example. Otherwise, you can use anything so that your child can make 2 groups from that objects. Okay, done. Now moving on to next, I request you to open page number 11. Okay, first of all, parents, please put date, month and year, then circle the day for today. Then you also circle the weather for the particular day when your child is doing the work. But make sure now your child is aware about the weather, so you can ask, okay, which image I have to circle? Should I circle the cloud? Should I circle the cloud with raindrops? Or should I circle the sun? So let's see whether your child responds appropriately or not. Okay. So this is the activity of paper tearing and pasting. paper tear करना है and you have to paste it. Okay, yesterday we did cutting and pasting of objects related to letter A, B, C, D. Now they have to tear. When they will tear, they will use their pencil grip. So when they will use their pencil grip to tear a paper, their fine motor skills will be enhanced. So this is paper tearing and pasting. Let us see what they have to do. Cut a flower out of a colored paper and paste it in the given space. Like this way, they have to cut a flower. The parents have to cut a flower and they have to paste it over here in the given space. Then cut a circle of yellow color. Then you have to cut a circle of yellow color and paste in the flower as shown in the image. Okay. Now give your child some colorful sheets. Now ask your child to tear those colorful sheets and paste it on the circle. Okay, I'll show you after doing. This way your child has to do the activity. Like here, I have pasted the flower. Then I put yellow colored circle on the flower. Then tearing and pasting with different color sheets is pasted on this circle. So after completing, your activity will look like this. Your page will look like this. The flower can be of any color as written over here. Any colored sheet you can use to cut out the flower, but make sure you use yellow color sheet for the circle, then different color sheets for tearing and pasting. Okay, so this way you have to complete this page number 11 of paper tearing and pasting. Okay, make sure you will cut the things but allow your child to paste upon the same. Okay, but don't give scissors to them, it's very risky. Now please come to page number 9. Yesterday we did letter A. What we did? We did letter A, apple. A, apple. Today we are going to do tracing on letter B. This is B, ball. B, ball. Which letter is this? This is B. And which object is this? This is ball. B, ball. Let's listen to the phonic sound.
A.
Let's listen to the phonic sound of letter B.
B. Balls are bouncing on the floor. Balls are bouncing on the floor. B is the sound of B.
B is the sound of B. B is the sound of B. So B, ball. B, ball. So parents, I request give pencil to your child and they will complete these 2 lines of letter B. They will join these dots and they will form letter B. B, ball. B, ball. Very good. So today you have to do only one letter, that is letter B. Okay. Moving on to rhyme time. Open your page number 19. Page number 19. 19. And which rhyme is over here? Ek choti kashti. Yesterday we did wash the apple and eat. Today we are going to do ek choti kashti. First of all, parents, please circle the day for today. Then put the date, month and year. Then please circle the weather for the particular day. Okay. So this is a new rhyme to you. Ek choti kashti. Let's listen to the rhyme. So this was a beautiful rhyme. एक छोटी किश्ती मेरे पास. Now what you have to do? You have to color this image. You have to color this image. Okay? You have to color this kishti. Done? You have to listen to this rhyme and slowly try to learn this rhyme. This is really a good rhyme. And then you have to color it. Okay? So what we have done today, we have learned a new rhyme. We have done tracing on letter B. We have done the sorting activity, and we have also done tearing and pasting activity. So keep on learning like this. Keep on enjoying your summer break. Bye. Take care. We'll meet tomorrow with some more things. Okay?